In this guide, we are going to show you how to use the chart analysis tools as well as how to add indicators on Trading 212. So once you're on the app, you can simply select the asset you'd like to trade or analyze. And once you're on the screen, simply tap on the expand icon. You'll then be able to have full access to the chart, the tools, and all the indicators you can use. So Trading 212 integrates seamlessly with TradingView's chart system. On the left side of your screen, you'll then be able to access the drawing tools such as trend lines, rectangles, Fibonacci retracement, price measurement and projection tools, as well as various other tools to help you do your analysis. Then at the top left corner of your screen, you can also choose the time frame you'd like to view your chart on. And right next to it, you can also customize the chart type from candles, line charts, bar charts, and all the other options. Then finally, if you'd like to add indicators, just tap on the indicators tab and you'll then be able to access all the various indicators from moving averages, Bollinger Bands, RSI, MACDs, and many more. And if you'd like to change the currency or asset you're looking at, simply navigate to the top of your screen and make your selection. And that's it. So Trading 212's chart system makes it so much easier to do your analysis. So that's it for this video. I hope you found that insightful, and if you did, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.